Kung naniniwala ho kayo sa produkto nyo or sa ino-offer nyo sa mga tao, stick to it, tapos don't give up po. Ako si Nina Narciso.
I'm Nympha Timbol.
Swinda Bauson. And we're sisters and we're representing Pitang's Bake Shop.
If you're wondering about our name, no, Pitangs, that's a nickname of our mom, Josepa Henson Narciso. When we were young, he used to bake those products. We have bestsellers, 3 of them, the Spritz cookies, Mamon Tostado, and the Sansibal. We used to bake those when we were young, so we learned how to bake them.
Smelling all of these products.
Yeah.
And
we
then
help her in the kitchen. She sells to her kumares,
friends.
friends.
Yes.
All
16
the-
years after mom died,
Yeah.
she suggested that we continue her legacy. Binigyan kami ng ideas on how to distribute para lumaki yung aming sales lalo. Dapat daw maglagay kami ng parang kwento sa story namin kasi pag nakikita yung aming packaging, parang wala daw pa siyang kulang ng kwento. Although, yun, kaya sinasabi namin bakit Pitangs kasi yun ang pangalan ng nanay namin. Pero hindi daw nakikita yun sa packaging. So dapat sabi niya, mag-hire kayo siguro ng artist.
It's a very, very good idea. Amazing, in fact, to give such opportunities for entrepreneurs. Maybe struggling to make life better.
I'm in awe of the mentors na they're willing to give their time and their talent in helping others. Parang giving back. I like that about them.
I'm happy we
Rejoin.
joined this.
Kamuntik na kaming nag-change ng mind.
So we're happy with you talaga. And we learned a lot. And thank you so much.
Kung naniniwala ho kayo sa produkto nyo or sa ino-offer nyo sa mga tao, stick to it, tapos don't give up po.
Put your mind to it, you can do it.
Fighting!
Fighting! Sir Joey, sana po sa susunod talagang kayo ho ang makausap namin. Sana po ipagpatuloy nyo itong magandang go negosyo na ginagawa nyo na nakakatulong sa mga tao, lalong-lalo na po sa mga small-medium entrepreneurs na katulad namin.
Parang yung tireless siya, no? Parating naririnig yung ano niya, he really gets involved. And makita mo sa mukha niya kanina, talaga very, very passionate at committed, right? Sa kanyang ginagawa. And walang politics, ano? That's good about it.
Yes.
Very sincere.
Thank you, Mr. Joey Concepcion. Before I forget po, advance happy birthday po, June 23. Looking forward po to meet you in person, Mr. Joey Concepcion.
And happy birthday again!
Sanay kang makipag kasama ang lahat ngayon. Wala nang iwan ng bawat isa ngayon sa atin ay